How to pay on AliExpress using a Visa gift card. So if you want to pay on AliExpress using a Visa gift card, then what you need to do is first you need to just simply go with your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, search for AliExpress and then go with the official website. Now go with the sign in button, which will be on the top right, and then sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you need to go with the payment section. Once you're on your payments, and here you will have all of your payment methods, right? You need to just simply go with the cards section, which will be on the bottom, and then you will be able to add your cards. Go with add a new card, and as you can see that you will have your Visa, your MasterCard, and many more cards right here. And enter the Visa gift card details like the card number and the expiration date and CVV code that is on AliExpress. So your card will be accepted. Save the card as the payment method. After that, once you've saved the card, you need to go back and browse the AliExpress and find the product that you want to purchase. Once you've selected an item that you would like to buy, then you need to go with buy now, which will be on the right side. After that, you can go with the payment methods, and under the payment methods, you need to just simply go with Visa gift card and check out. Choose your gift card as a payment method and confirm your payment details and proceed to finalize your order, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.